Hello, welcome to my channel. We have been solving past question papers. So right now I have this mathematics paper one, pure math one, and it is May June 2025. So let us start. Uh, Question number one. Okay, we are given two graphs, right? You can see that they're quite similar to each other. Uh, the diagram shows the graph with equation this and this. Okay, so here we have function is defined as f of x, and here the function is defined as g of x. Okay, describe fully is sequence of two transformations which transform the graph of fx to graph of gx. Make clear the order in which the okay. You see what is the range from here to here? It is 1 to 3 divisions, right? And from in this same one, how much is this range? You can see it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, right? So it has been expanded in the vertical direction by a factor of 2, right? Okay, so if I make another function 2 times f of x, right? So how it will look like? Uh, if I show you here, this 6 will go to 12. Am I right? So it will go to 12 because I'm multiplying with 2. Similarly, this is 3, right? So 3 will go to 6. Okay. So I have something like this. The shape of the graph, 2 times f of x is something like this. This point is still 3 because this is 3, right? But the y value is instead of 3, it will become 6. Okay. Now, how can I, this graph will become this graph? Okay. You see, the top is -2 and this is 12. Okay. So if I subtract 14 from this one, it will come down to -2. Okay. So if I define a new function, 2 times f of x minus 14, then it will become g of x. Okay. I will explain it a little bit more why it will become g of x. Because now when I subtract 14 from this value, so 12 minus 14 will become -2. So it will reach at -2. And 6 minus 14 will go to -8. Okay. So this is -8. So the new shape is going to be something like this, which is exactly this one. Okay. So the answer to the part one is, let me write it here, that g of x is equal to 2 times f of x minus 14. Okay, make clear the order. Okay, describe fully a sequence of two transformation. So if I want to write the sequence of two transformation, then the first step is, sorry. Okay, so multiply with 2 or stretch in the vertical direction by 2. By 2. Stretch, do we have T or no? I'm not sure. Anyway, and second thing is shift down by 14. Okay, I hope this is clear. Now, question number 2. Okay, so find the coordinates of the point of intersection and the curve and the line with its equations. Okay, so we are given this curve 2xy plus 5y square equals 24, and the equation is, straight line is 2x plus y plus 4 equals 0. So we need to find the intersection point. Where do they intersect? Okay, so from this equation, we can see that y is equal to minus 2x minus 4. Am I right? So let's substitute this value of y in this first equation. So this is going to be 2x into y is minus 2x minus 4 plus 5 into y squared. So y squared, now I don't have to put the negative, so it becomes 2x plus 4. because when I make the square, the negative will become positive, equals 24. So this will become minus 4x squared and minus 8x, okay, plus 5, and let's open this square. This is going to be 4x squared plus 16x plus 16, am I right? Equals 24. So let me open 4x squared minus 8x plus 20x squared plus 80x plus 80 minus 24 equals 0. I put everything on the left side. Now I have 20x squared minus 4x, so this is 16x squared, am I right? And then I have 80x minus 8x. It will become 72x. Okay. And the constant term is 80 minus 24. So 80 minus 24 will be 56. Right? 24 and 56. Yeah, it's just 80 equals 0. Okay, so let's try to simplify the limit. If I divide everything by 4, it will become 4x squared plus 4x squared plus 18x plus 14. Okay, you can further divide it by 2, so it's from 2x squared plus 9x plus 7 equals 0. Okay, so we can factorize these things. 7 times 2 is 14. So what two factor can we make? It is 7 and 2, and both are positive. So it will become 9. Yes, so 2x squared, I have your, what I'm doing, plus 7x plus 2x plus 7 equals 0. So from the first two terms, I can take x common outside. It will become 2x plus 7. Then from here, I can just have 1 outside. This is 2x plus 7. So now I can take 2x plus 7 outside common, and inside will be x plus 1. Okay, easy, are you with me? So from here, I get two solutions. X is equal to minus 1 from the second bracket and minus 7 over 2 from the first bracket. Okay, so if I have these two values of x, then I can find the value of y as well now. We need to see this equation, so I'm trying to put it a little bit now. Yeah, okay, so you see, sorry, if x is equal to minus 1, then y is equal to, I'm using this equation, this one. So y is equal to minus 2, and then x is minus 1, minus 4. So this is 2 minus 4. Yeah, so this is equal to minus 2. Okay, and if x is equal to minus 7 by 2, then y is equal to minus 2, and x is minus 7 by 2 and minus 4. So this will become 2 cancel with 2, negative will become 7 and minus 4, so this is going to be 3. Okay, so the 2 point of intersections would be when x is minus 1, y is minus 2, and when x is minus 7 by 2, y is 3. Okay, I hope this is clear. Yeah, okay, I will stop over here, do the other question in the next video. Thank you very much for watching. If you find these videos helpful, then please subscribe my channel. See you in the next video. Take care.